Oh yes, the summer of 1988, it was a hot one. The summer of 83 was hot. The summer of 80 was hot. The summer of 1995 was hot. The summer of 2005 was hot. Last summer was kind of hot. We had 19 days with 90 or above at the airport. Well, we're looking at 99 set back in 1988 and 44 back in 1964. As expected, we're getting up into the mid-80s. We've got 84 right now in Wheeling. That's the warm spot. 81 Cambridge and Steubenville, 82 Morgantown, and 83 in New Martinsville. Winds are coming in generally out of the... What are the winds doing here? That's an interesting thought. Let's see. They should be out of the south and southwest. And speeds right now at about 3 to 8 miles an hour. As we move on, the humidity, as expected, still relatively low. It's sneaking up just a tad, but mid-50s is not bad at all. Now, there's that thunderstorm complex we were talking about last night around 10 and 11 p.m. As expected, it fizzled in about a 12-hour period of time. We got a few clouds, more clouds will be in the area tomorrow. Still not looking bad. Super hot again there. Dallas, Texas, 99 degrees here. A bunch of places around Dallas that are in the low 100s, and it doesn't look like any change is expected for them anytime in the near future. Nothing unusual from D.C. southward. See temperatures up near 90 degrees. Humidity levels high down along the coast, southeast, and the humidity is beginning to rise up there in Kansas City. And with the winds blowing more out of the south and southwest, we're expecting the humidity levels around here will rise a tad, not real bad, not like Italian festival humidity like we had earlier this summer. Now, we are looking at heat advisory for the Houston area over from about Waco to northern parts of Louisiana, a little bit of Arkansas, up to about Fort Smith in the eastern third of Oklahoma. That's where the super hot stuff is expected to be. And it's interesting, they got temperatures in the low 100s in the Dallas area, but no heat advisory. I guess after a while, after it's been 2 months of highs up around 100 to 105 every day, after a while, I guess you say it's nothing unusual, so we won't even issue an advisory. A few dying thunderstorm complexes down here in Mississippi, and maybe something will fire up here, up in parts of Oklahoma and the Ozarks of Arkansas. And then you can see there's a system here. Notice the clearing in the cooler and the drier conditions there in the northern parts of the Midwest. Well, here's our predictor. We're expecting high pressure kind of wobble around here in the Midwest. It's kind of trying to make up its mind where it's supposed to be, the center at least. Here we are, 4 p.m. on Thursday, not showing much in terms of rain. Now we got Thursday night into Friday. The chances for rain go up a little bit. And even by late Friday, there's a possibility it could still be a shower lingering. At this point, Saturday is still looking good. Winds out of the southwest. It should be highs in the mid-80s. Then we get into Sunday, and we're expecting, there's Hive doing a little dance there. We're expecting showers and thunderstorms to be developing most likely late Sunday into Monday. And then eventually low pressure, there may be something developing here along the coast. Eventually it moves up and we get some cooler, dry air coming back in. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast. Now, not looking bad at all. You know, the number of mid-80 days for the summer of 2011 are almost maybe on your hand, a number that you can count. It's only a matter of time before the average high is going to hang up in the 70s, and we're going to stay up there. But it does look like some more nice weather. Thursday, maybe late Thursday into Friday, some scattered showers, but I do show sunshine throughout the period here. And then maybe late Sunday into Monday, a few more showers and rumbles of thunder. But notice how the temperatures just refuse to drop out of the low 80s, and the lows are generally in the low 60s. We do expect that conditions will drop even further from where they are right now. I know yesterday the Climate Prediction Center was giving us cooler than average temperatures for the 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day forecast, which would take us almost to the 1st of September.